mysterious beings emerging from the depths of the world. With their slow, deliberate steps, turtles are the enigmatic inhabitants of our planet's terrestrial, marine, and freshwater realms. Existing for thousands of years, these creatures persist in their lives with their unhurried pace and sturdy shells. Turtles, acting as carriers of time, are unique entities that bear the traces of change and continuity on Earth. Are you ready to embark on a journey into their world? Turtles are resilient creatures that have managed to survive in various natural habitats. Land turtles typically prefer wooded and grassy areas, often resting and feeding in shaded locations. Sea turtles commonly nest on islands scattered across tropical and subtropical waters. Freshwater turtles inhabit aquatic environments such as ponds, rivers, and lakes. These creatures adapt to their surroundings, utilizing resources effectively to thrive in their natural habitats. Turtle families typically exhibit non-hierarchical structures, but certain behavioral roles can be observed within some species. Young turtles often learn from adult individuals, developing cooperative skills and coordinating activities such as feeding, safety, and mating. Collaboration within the group is crucial in dynamics, like nesting and egg-laying, as seen in some sea turtle species. However, turtles are generally recognized as more independent beings, and social hierarchies are less pronounced among them. Turtles exhibit a wide variety of dietary preferences, and different species employ diverse hunting strategies. Land turtles typically follow a herbivorous diet, while sea turtles predominantly feed on marine organisms like fish and jellyfish. Freshwater turtles consume a range of food including fish, insects, plants, and aquatic invertebrates. Hunting techniques vary among species. For instance, sea turtles often hunt underwater, utilizing their swift swimming abilities to chase fish or other marine prey. Land turtles, on the other hand, typically employ a slow and patient hunting strategy. Herbivorous species often graze on and consume plants. These feeding strategies and hunting techniques have evolved as specialized adaptations over the course of evolution, enabling turtles to adapt to diverse environments. These adaptations are shaped by the species-specific dietary habitats, and the organisms they prey upon. Strong legs and dome-shaped shells. They generally inhabit terrestrial environments and mostly follow a herbivorous diet, known for their slow-paced movements and resilience. Sea turtles, hydrodynamic bodies and broad flippers. They navigate the oceans and come ashore to lay eggs, feed on marine organisms such as fish, jellyfish, and crabs. Freshwater turtles. Their limbs are often adapted for swimming. Found in ponds, rivers, or lakes, they feed on fish, insects, plants, and other aquatic organisms. Desert tortoises. Shells are typically flat and close to the ground, inhabit hot and arid deserts. They feed on water-containing plants like cacti and often rest in the shade. During the hot hours of the day, each turtle species has adapted uniquely to its environment, with specific features and lifestyles. These traits enhance their chances of survival and reproduction in different habitats. Turtles are known for their durable and protective shells. This shell is usually dome-shaped in land turtles and flatter in sea turtles. Leg structures vary according to the species. Land turtles have robust legs, while sea turtles have flipper-like limbs. Land turtles typically follow a herbivorous diet. Employing a slow-paced hunting strategy, sea turtles, on the other hand, hunt underwater, chasing marine creatures. With their swift swimming abilities, each species has developed specific hunting techniques adapted to their environment. Turtles are generally active during the day. They seek sun exposure in the morning as it regulates their body temperature. During active periods, they find places to rest, calm down, and seek shelter. They tend to become less active in the evening and quieter during the night. Turtles generally feel more comfortable in their natural habitats and prefer not to interact with humans extensively. However, in some situations, turtles may engage in certain interactions with people. Turtles kept as pets often interact with their owners. They may enjoy being around humans during feeding times or care routines. However, these interactions should generally be calm and slow, as turtles can react to sudden movements. Observing turtles in their natural habitats by humans should be done from a distance and with care. Minimal intervention is better to avoid disrupting their natural behaviors. Scientists and conservation experts may interact with turtles for conservation and monitoring purposes. However, such interactions should be controlled and serve scientific objectives. The key is to ensure that interactions are conducted carefully and respectfully to preserve the natural behaviors and lives of turtles, especially when interacting with turtles in the wild. Prioritizing the protection of their natural habitats and lives is of utmost importance. Scattered across the four corners of the earth, carriers of ancient wisdom, turtles, silent witnesses of time, the unique legacy of nature. Turtles, who carry the stories, live beneath their shells in this silent journey for thousands of years, present us with a symbol of timelessness and resilience. Drifting in the endless blue of the seas, resting on the warm sands of deserts, wandering in the mysterious shadows of forests, these enigmatic beings stand firm against the flow of time like a timeless memory. Turtles, with every step echoing a past, every movement pulsating with the hope of a future. Perhaps turtles represent the most crucial lessons. Nature teaches us to be patient, to use time wisely, to adapt, and to live as a part of nature. Their world is an adventure filled with slow steps, calm observations, and timeless stories. This world, filled with such special beings, is, as turtles remind us, a fascinating song of nature. Each shell carries the traces of the past, and each observation opens the doors of the future. Turtles speak in silence and whisper to us the deep secrets of life. Their story is a celebration of resistance against time and the unique beauties of nature.